Today I'm going to be teaching you the standard form of linear functions. So the standard form of linear function is basically ax plus by is equal to c. So we already know we tackled about the slope-intercept form, which is y equals to mx plus b. So how do we transform a slope-intercept form into the standard form? So what we can do is just copy the form of ax plus by equal to c. We're going to put the x and y value to the left side and leave a constant on the right side. So this is 3x minus y equals to 4. So this is the uh, standard form of this linear function. Now let's try this again. Y equals to 4x plus b. So what we can do here is transform the negative 4x to the right side. To the left side, and we've got y equals 5, 4x equals to 5, and we're going to put it in this way. So they are just the same. So this is the standard form of this linear function. Now let's go ahead and try this one. Y equals to negative 2 over 5x plus 3. So as we can see here, we have a fraction. So the first step that we're going to do is get rid of the fraction. So we're just going to multiply both sides of the equation by 5. Distributing the 5, we got this. And what we can do now is just transform the variables x and y to the left side and leave a constant on the right side. So we got this equation. Oops. There you go. Now let's try this problem. Y equals to 1/3 x minus 2. So again, what we're going to do is just get rid of the fraction first. So that multiply both sides of the equation by 3. Distributing the 3, we got this. And now we can just transform x variable to the left side. X on the right side will cancel. So we got 3y minus x is equal to negative 6. So what we can do here is multiply both of the equation by negative 1. So we got x minus 3y equals to 6. We basically just flip all the signs and turn positive into negative and negative to positive. Now let's try this. Y equals to 2x minus 4/3. So another step, we're just going to get rid of the fraction and we got this. So now we're going to move this to the left side and we got negative 4 on the right side. So now we're just going to multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. So we got this. We just flip all the signs. Now what about this one? Y equals to 3/4 x minus 2/3. So how do we solve this problem? How do we transform this? So we just going to find use the 4/3 or the LCM of the equations. So we get 4 and 3, that's going to be 12. And we can just basically cancel all of them if we're going to distribute it. So we got 3 times 3 here, 9x minus 8. And we can just move 9x to the left side of the equation. So that's going to be negative. And we got 8. So now what we can do is multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1 or divide all of them by negative 1. So we got this. So this is the standard form. So let's try another problem. We got y equals to 3 over 5x minus 4, 7. So we're going to get rid of the fractions. We got 5 and 7. So we got 5 and 7 here. We got 7 and 5 there. So I'm going to distribute 7 and 5 to y. So we got 35y. 5 will cancel. So we got 7, 3x. Minus, we can just cancel 7. So we got 5 times 4. Or 4 times 5. So we can distribute the 7. So that's going to be 21x minus 4 times 5, that's 20. So now what we can do is move 21x to the left side and divide both sides of the equation by negative 1. So we got this as our standard form. So that's it for this video.